Hey guys, I'm your host Aniruddha. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the world's most secure smartphone. The Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi is set to launch world's most secure smartphone which will be feature an encrypted chip inside the device that will defend all your personal and crucial data stored in the device, including your call records, media files, documents, notes and other information as well. While we are awaiting the launch of the Xiaomi M6 smartphone, new sketch of Chinese mobile phone, Xiaomi leaked in several specialized websites. Yes, now you might be thinking about the new sketch which I mentioned. The Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi will feature an encrypted chip inside the device which will defend all the your personal data, crucial data stored on the device. The Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi has claimed that the data will be secured in the way that currently no other phone can match. As we mentioned earlier that it protects all your personal data, information including all your call records, media files, documents, notes and other information as well. According to a Xiaomi, encrypted chip will be provided double protection to the data of users. Yes, it means secure data can't be seen whether the user decided to hide it or not, or either if Android device get hacked. As we all know that there is still no strong security was prepared for data available inside the device. Even if once Apple's phone Touch ID get hacked, then way is cleared for attackers. Hence, the Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi now aims to change this with their latest feature of encrypted chip. The Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi says that despite of efficacy, Apple's Touch ID is still lacking when it comes to what is stored on the smartphone. As soon as someone manages to pass through a lock screen, information can be freely viewed. Now, let's have a look at the expected specifications of the device. The device has 5.5 Super AMOLED display with 1080 pixel. It comes with 13 megapixel of main camera and 8 megapixel of front-facing selfie camera. The device has Snapdragon 652 octa-core processor with 4GB of RAM and runs on Android 6.0 Marshmallow with Amigo interface. At a storage section, you will get a 32GB internal storage with expandable option via microSD card. This device has packed with inbuilt 5000 mAh battery with a fingerprint scanner. Moreover, the company claims that it is officially announced the world's most secure smartphone, Xiaomi M6, on July 26. Furthermore, I just have to wait to see whether the Xiaomi M6 will be fully secured or not, as it claims to be. Hope you like my work and do share with others too. Leave a comment below if you have any related queries with this, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to read the description box. I will update the description as I get more information about this device. Thank you.